doing some vegan pasta salad.
Our favorite lunch.
Yeah, this is our favorite lunch item, and they're great to take to like parties for New Year's, for anything that you're doing. You know, why are you taking off your flag? So, we're gonna tell you guys our ingredients for today. You know, January 1st, best day of the year. Not really best day of the year. Best day of the year, last day of the year.
Kind of the worst
next year. But you know, yeah. So, make this January great. This year great. And let's do our ingredients for our pasta salad.
So, what you need is some
rotini. Tri-colored pasta.
Colored. It has to be colored.
Yeah, or it's not pasta salad.
Yeah, it's not the colorful word of the rainbow.
Yeah, we're making some vegan pasta.
That's the Italian.
Oh, and we're going to make sure that this is vegan with our isn't vegan.
And we're not sponsored.
Yeah, it's not sponsored by the way. We just cool it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to scan our zesty Italian dressing. This is what you need to do in the store when you're picking yours out.
Yeah, you got
so that you know that it's completely vegan. So you're gonna open up your Isn't Vegan app.
Is it vegan?
You're going to press scan. Yes. Then you're going to on like items that you should be worried about. It'll give you all that stuff. You just need to make sure you check it. And if you want to know what we have the Zesty Italian by Kraft.
Also, so this is what you need. You need some parsley.
Parsley.
We need some olives.
Olives. Black olives.
Large, mild, and nutty.
Large, mild, and nutty olives.
We have cashews.
Cashews. We have cashews because we're going to be making a homemade Parmesan cheese.
And a special recipe.
To put, our recipe.
And you're getting the good recipe. Yeah.
Okay.
And then one sweet tomato.
Not one, but you know, it's called one. They're like tomatoes. We like the big ones. You guys get the small.
Yeah. No, we like the small ones.
Small, big ones. The big ones of the small.
We like the yeah.
Then we have some garlic powder.
We have some olive oil.
Olive oil. The olive oil is for the water that is back boiling on our stove.
It's back in time.
Back in time boiling.
Nutritional yeast.
Yep.
It's very good for you because it's nutritional.
Yep, nutritional yeast. We got some Himalayan
Salt.
Himalayan pink salt.
Yes, it's pink.
And then we have some. Oh, we got a container for our mac and cheese, not our pasta.
Our
pasta salad to go in. We have a cucumber.
Okay guys, sorry about the cucumber. I'm editing the video right now and the cucumber is that color because the green screen is green, so it picked up the cucumber and it thinks that the cucumber is part of the green screen, so the cucumber is brown and the cutting board is brown. I do not mean, I don't even know why, like so don't even just disregard that. Sorry about that.
We got onion. We have knife, some measuring cups, and cutting board. So now for we have this, which is a food processor.
And we have a knife.
Yes. And so what we have right now is our water boiling. Okay. And our water boiling with a cap
of olive
oil.
And then you're gonna put
a couple springlets of pink Himalayan salt.
It has to be pink.
So once that boils, we're gonna put this in here. But while we're waiting for that, we are going to be starting to cut our vegetables. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is put in our pasta. So our water is at a rolling boil. So now we're gonna plop in our pasta. And it's gonna cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm going to cut our vegetables.
So while she's cutting her vegetables, I will be making the cheese.
I will be cutting onions, cucumber, tomatoes, and olives. I'm going to be cutting them in half.
So what you do first is you put 1/2 cup of cashews or almonds if you choose. You need the cashews or almonds. It's just optional if you want to choose cashews or almonds. We use cashews. Then what you will need is 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast.
See?
now you need some
Parmesan.
So now you need some dried parsley.
I think this is enough onions. Make sure that your hands are washed.
And you need one full teaspoon of garlic powder.
Parmesan cheese.
And then you're gonna need 2 grinds of salt.
2 groins of salt. A mountain, you know, climb them up.
And you're supposed to pulse it like 4 or 5 times. And you're supposed to go and then you have your...
It actually makes that sound. Our processor is a little different than others. That's why we adopted it from the pound.
So what you need to do is you need to open your rotini. While she's cutting it, I'm going to mix around this pasta with this pasta spatula.
I'm going to drain the olives. I'm rinsing them off in the tomato thing because these have holes on them so that you can drain your vegetables. Drain and cut. So I'm cutting the olives after I've rinsed them and put them in the container. It's going to be a little round shape like this, almost like a donut. And I'm just going to slice them and place them right in here. I'm going to get him a knife so he can also help me when he's done. So that he can stop.
Okay.
You can help me. But you can keep on going till I'm done now. And then when you're done, you can just...
I don't want you opening cabinets. Think, you're on camera. So don't open the cabinets. Just move the stuff out of your way. See how easy that was?
No, you're going to start opening that.
With what?
That knife.
But what am I going to cut on?
Oh, I probably should do it.
Duh.
I'm going to take some gloves, turn off the stove, this very carefully over to the sink. The pasta strain. Then we're going to be, after we finish our vegetables, putting our pasta in there, putting our sauce in there, shaking it up, and then getting to try it. So while that is in there straining, you want to rinse it with nice cold water. Have my pasta in a bowl. We have our nice veggies all nice and cut right here. We're gonna put in our pasta into the vegetables. Let's get to trying!
So we added a little bit of extra Italian dressing to ours.
Yeah, it turned out to be 1 cup of Italian dressing because it was really nice and really good, but we needed some more, you know, flavor. And we also put on some of our Parmesan cheese. And this is the time where you can add like pepperoni, you can add other
sausage.
peppers, you can add whatever else you'd like.
Anything.
Yours.
Literally
So,
everything.
let's
Get
show
to
you guys
try.
this before we eat it. Oh, we want to eat it so badly.
Yes.
Yeah, nice, delicious. Okay, so now we're going to grab our bowls on top. Here you go. And 3, 2, 2, 1. Trying time! Woo! First time trying anything in 2K19. This is really good. Yeah. even taste like it needs anything that has any meat or dairy products in it. It tastes that amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys watch this video on when it's posted, because you know it's New Year's time and it's that time of the year, New Year's, because you know it's the first and it's New Year, that time of the year. So hope you like, comment, subscribe, comment what your favorite thing that we made in 2018 was, your favorite video. And we will see you next time on Two Vegan Kids.